Hey guys, welcome back. Cricket here with another plan with me. This one is in my PP weeks. This is just going to be a little fast pre-plan, just getting the book or getting my planner ready for this coming week, not necessarily like putting things down that I have to do or anything like that. This is just for my wellness planner, and it just keeps me on track and makes me want to use it, so because it's pretty. And I like to write in pretty things, so it makes me want to. And I need to start working out, and yeah, don't want to. But yeah, I got a little bit of information from my doctor that I really wasn't happy with, but so got to work out. Anyway, so I'm using this beautiful kit from Pink Polka Dot Lily. I do have a code for her, and I will have all the information down in my description below in my link tree. So this one is done in one of her 35 different color foils. This is the glitter gold, and it is absolutely stunning. I mean, stunning. Look at that gorgeousness right there. Every single box is just absolutely gorgeous, right down to the beautiful washi. So that is what I'm using today. I already used the date dots that I ordered as well, the matching ones. So it is for the week of the 24th through the 30th of August, and I wanted to use this. I'm into sunflowers. I used a sunflower kit in my big one as well, so have to have some fun. All right, let's get started. Yes, this is a silver foil, but you know how you think you got all this foil and you don't, or this washi, and you don't need one more thing of washi? Well, guess what? I realized I don't have a blue with gold in it, at least not this color blue. So I had like a turquoisey blue, I had a sea blue. It just was not this like blue that matched the kit perfectly. It's just the foil didn't. But you know what? I don't mind mixing my foils, so it's mine. It doesn't bother me. So as long as it's pretty, which anytime I use Pink Polka Dot Lily's kits, they are gorgeous. Sorry, my son is in the background. Again, he waited until I got online to film to get on his stupid game and start yelling and ranting and raving. So, not good. I'm going to hear about it when I get off of here. Little turkey. He's got to go back to school the day after Labor Day. I mentioned in my other plan with me. Yeah, it's late for us, so we don't normally go back the last we don't normally go back this last week, the week that just passed. So yeah, I don't know. Not too happy about it, but I can't really do anything about it. So there's no use complaining, so I'm not going to do it. Let's see. Let's go ahead and put this one down, and I think I normally just use a piece of the washi for it. This kit is so gorgeous, but all her kits are gorgeous, so you never have a problem with her kits because they're so beautiful. The only problem I have is putting them down straight, and that has nothing to do with the kit. It has everything to do with me. So yeah, that went down a little crooked. Let's see if I can pull it up a little bit. Yep, see, her sticker's pulled right on up. Let's try this again. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Way more better. Okay, I'm going to, now that I got that down, just put this little clip here to hold it, because my book is getting so full. It's not funny. Oh, I'm also going to bring in her foil sampler. It's the gold one. I love it, and it has like the three bow check flags in it to go along with these, and I think I have been keeping these to use in other things, so, and just using all of these since they match all the way across. So that's probably what I'm going to do again today. let's use this. And let's use one of these. Why not? So we're going to do this one right here. And put this beauty down. And then let's do another one of her washi strips. Let's see if there's a smaller one. Right here. No, can't do that. Let's see. Oh, that is crooked. Let's see if I can get this on here a little bit more even. There we go. That's better. And let's see, I think I can fit one of these on there. Let's just do this one right here. Okay, so guess what? Let's back up and rewind. That's what we do on Plan With Me. This is the pre-planning right here that I was talking about. Let's put this one first for my medication. And then this one here for working out. Ugh, yuck. Hate to work out. I used to love it. I used to be addicted to it, and then I got out of the habit of it, and now it's like pulling teeth trying to get back into it. I just hate it. And with my work schedule, the reason I hate it is because I got to get up so early in the morning to do it. So yeah, these are done by the Crafty Student. They're also called the Golden something, and I will have that down in the description below. I've been so bad about that, y'all. But anyway, this one is for my Weight Watcher points, and these are a custom script from Cheerful Planner Girl, and I do have a code for her. So I keep track of my Weight Watchers. I'm on the purple plan. Yay me. A extra workout sticker that I had left over from another kit. I'm just gonna pop that right into there. Perfect. Okay, so the next thing I need to do is put the date covers down. That would help, right? So let's go ahead and get these in really quickly. Yeah, so let's try that again. My bad cholesterol is elevated, which kind of surprises me because I don't eat like real fatty food. I just eat a lot of food. That's my problem. I love food. But, so I have to keep an eye on that. So that's hence the working out. And then when they did my blood, they found out that I am on the verge of being anemic. So they're gonna put me on a multivitamin with iron and keep checking my blood to make sure that my counts go back up. So we'll just keep an eye on that and go from there, you know? That's what we do. Put that one down. So I need to start taking better care of myself, evidently, drinking more water and, you know, doing what I'm supposed to be doing and behaving myself. So, there. Okay, so Monday I do have a little bit more that I normally do sometimes not. So I am going to go ahead and put down this, and I write down what I eat right here so that I can keep an eye on it. And then what I'm going to do is I do need to, let's see, let's pick this one. Let's put this one right here. Oh, come on. I can put it up a little bit. Put this one up right here for that, and then I need to weigh in. So let's put one of these down. These are from Creative Cavern Studio. Let's put, be safe and just put the other one down. So that's for weigh-in. Okay, so that's good for right now. Let's go ahead and put the bottom washi down. I'm gonna move it down as far as I can though, in case I need extra room. So put that one down. And this one. By the way, Pink Polka Dot Lily is in the Planner Mayhem sale. She will be 30% off, and it is right around the corner. It is next week, so be on the lookout for that. You're definitely going to want to see that. Go check out my planner, Nina_Cricket, on Facebook and on Instagram, and it will show you the freebies that she has, everything. She's pretty amazing. So what I'm going to do right quick is use the flags right here. I think these are beautiful. So I'm going to use this right here for right there, and then I'm going to use the weekend banner off of her sampler. Well, I just ripped it. So I'm a dodo brain. There we go. But easily put back together, I promise. And let's just get the little bow. There we go. See? Doctored it right up and nobody even knows. Cool. Okay. I am going to be off on Thursday. Don't normally take that day off, but I am going to. So let me go ahead and put down this right here. And then let's use this one right up underneath it and put day off right here. Taking the time off to spend with Garrett. And let's see, I'm pretty sure I can still get a box in there. There we go. Pretty. Okay. Then we can get a box right here. Box. Right. Come on, Crick. Get with the program. Right there. Here. Love that box. I love the wooden box. I think those are beautiful. All right, and let's get the rest of my meal trackers down. Or the bows for my meal trackers, I should say. So what did I do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Haha, forgot it's on my hand. Hello. I was like starting to panic. I'm like, what did I do with one? Such a nerd I am, I swear. Okay. So now I got all my meal trackers down. That works out perfectly. And let's see, let's put that there for just a second. I am gonna just tell myself to drink my water. Might move this up since I have another box. Let's see if I can fit that box in here. Yeah, I can do this well. Wonder if I can lift all this up for just a second. See, this is all that stuff I leave in so that you can see that it can happen. All right, let's move this one right here. This beautiful one, and then we can put this right on top. No problem, and I can still write right there. Perfect, see? Works out great. Okay, so we gotta drink our water every day. I'm gonna remind myself every day. So I'm gonna put one right here. One right here. Running out of room right on this side, but I can still write small on there. There. Oh, come right, and these are from DEK Designs. I do have a code for her. I get my groceries on Friday, and that's part of my wellness. So I'm going to put this one right here. I think that works out really cool anyway. And these are from So Cute Planner. Have a code for her. That's the one with the washi. I can definitely put a pretty, yeah, I can do that one right there. And one right here. Okay, that works out great. And then let's lift this one up so we don't have any gap right there, and put this one back down. And I think that works out great. Works out beautifully. Put this one here. And then let's lift this up just a second. Put this one here and put this over top of it. And there you go. This is just a little, like I said, a quick, you know, pre-plan so that I can get ready for the upcoming week and I know what I've got going on. Like I said, I think this will be great. I'm excited to get this week started, and pray for me, y'all, that I can stick on plan and actually work out. That's my biggest thing. That's my goal this week, is to actually just work out. So y'all, if you think about me, that's what I need you to, like, shoot a little prayer up for me. So I hope that y'all like this video. It turned out really beautiful. I love everything about Pink Polka Dot Lily. You will never go wrong with any of her stuff. It's absolutely gorgeous. I hope that y'all stay safe, strong, and healthy. Come back and see me again next week, and check out my sticker hauls. Don't forget to check out Planner Nina _Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram. Go friend Pink Polka Dot Lily on Facebook, and that way we'll keep you on track with all their sales and everything that's going on. All right, I hope y'all have an awesome, blessed week. Talk with you later. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that bell, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.